Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can deactivate your Acorns account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into the video. First of all, you need to know that you can't deactivate your account on Acorns. However, you can simply delete your subscription or your Acorns account as a whole. So to do so, you need to first of all log in into your account and simply hit the profile icon on the left hand side of your screen. And once you tap it open, all you need to do is simply tap on the settings option. So once you tap on settings as well, you need to go and tap on my subscription. So once you go and tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to now tap on the cancel subscription. After you do so, you need to simply hit the continue button for cancelling or closing all your Acorns account, or you can simply skip this step. Choose a reason. Now you can even give feedback why you want to close your account and tap on close investment account, then tap on the continue anyways. Once everything is done, you need to now give feedback again, or you can even skip the step and hit the close account option. So for the final conclusion, you need to still hit the close account option and tap on cancel subscription, which will lead in deactivating or deleting your Acorns account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.